Hi guys, my name is Mehak, and today I'm going to be talking about Intro to Jupyter. What is Jupyter? Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that allows users to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. It supports multiple programming languages, including Python, R, and Julia, but is most commonly used for Python-based data science and machine learning workflows. Jupyter is built on IPython and provides an interactive computing environment that facilitates code execution and debugging. Why use Jupyter? Interactive compute allows real-time code execution, making it easier to test and debug code incrementally. Reproducibility. Notebooks can be shared and re-executed step by step, making them great for research and collaboration. Integration with data science and ML libraries works seamlessly with popular libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, and Scikit-learn. Visualization support, it can generate and display inline plots, making data exploration intuitive. It also has Markdown support that enables combining code, text, images, and equations in a single document. It can also be enhanced using Jupyter extensions and widgets to add more functionality. Here are some key features of Jupyter Notebooks. Notebook interface, it uses a cell-based structure where code, markdown, and outputs can be combined. Kernel execution, the backend processing unit kernel, executes code and retains state across multiple cells. Rich media support, it supports embeddings of images, videos, latex equations, and interactive HTML content. It also has special commands like timeit, matplotlib, inline, etc. It can also be exported to various formats such as PDF, HTML, and Python scripts. It can also be used in GitHub, Google Colab, and Binder for sharing and remote execution. To install and start Jupyter, we can install it as a part of the Anaconda distribution or separately use install pip. I've done this using conda install c conda forge notebook. And once you do this, you can start it using Jupyter Notebook from the command line. So over here, I have my command line open. I'm gonna cd into my desktop, and then it opens up a new Jupyter Notebook interface for me. And we can see some navigating the Jupyter interface. So it has a notebook dashboard where you can create, rename, delete files, and you can also you could use the new button to create a new file. So for example, if I wanted to create a new notebook, I would just do this, and I can open up my existing notebooks. So over here, I can open up Jupyter demo. There's some useful keyboard shortcuts that we can use. So if you press Escape plus B, it gives you a new cell below. If you press Escape A, it gives you a new cell above the cell. You can do Escape X, cuts the cell, Escape V, pastes the cell. If you do Shift Enter, it runs the cell. Jupyter Notebooks can also be used to execute some basic Python code, so cells can be used to run individual code snippets, making it useful for step-by-step execution. We can import libraries like NumPy, Panda, Matplotlib. We can also use the special commands that I talked about, Matplotlib inline, and magic commands like timeit, run, history. So over here, if you want to install pandas, you can just do pip install pandas. Since it's already been installed for me, it already says requirements satisfied. And then you can import it using the import statement and use matplotlib inline, the special command. It just gives you a graph in the code cell, and time it tells you the execution time of the command. Yeah. Markdown and text formatting. We can write text and format it in Markdown cells. It allows the inclusion of formatted cells within Jupyter Notebook, so you can create headings, you can bold, italics, list, and links. You can also add images and videos, and you can also write equations using LaTeX. So over here, we can see that heading 1, subheading 2, subheading 3. This is how you do it in Markdown. For italic text, you just do a star on either side of the text. For bold text, you do 2 stars on either side of the text. And for list items, you just put a dash in front of it. This is the equations that LaTeX supports in Jupyter Notebooks. You can also run shell commands and external scripts using the exclamation function. So you can use ls pip install. The exclamation symbol allows users to execute shell commands directly from a Jupyter Notebook cell. This is useful for managing files, installing packages, and performing system operations without leaving the notebook environment. You can also run Python scripts within notebooks by using the run python script.py. The run magic command is used to execute external Python scripts inside a Jupyter notebook. This is particularly useful for modularizing code and running pre-written scripts without copying their content into the notebook. The run command runs the script in the same environment as the notebook, meaning variables defined in the script are available after execution. So over here, if I do ls, I can see the files that are currently stored in this directory, which is my desktop directory. And to execute a Python script over here, I'm just creating a Python script in the same directory, which is my desktop. And I'm writing this content to it, and then I'm just running the script. So if I do this, it creates a Python script on my desktop right here, and it runs it, and it gives me the output. Thank you so much.